Visualize, and it will come. Welcome to this powerful Law of Attraction visualization, where we'll unlock your energies, raise your vibrational frequency, connect to the universe, and set some powerful intentions through visuals. If you just allow yourself to be calm and peaceful, be comfortably seated with your palms facing up to allow the energies to circulate, and just gently close your eyes and just focus lightly towards your breath. Take a deep inhale and gentle exhale. And as you continue with the slow, deep inhale, exhale, you're just allowing yourself to settle yourself more and more into this very moment. As you get comfortable and relaxed, with all your focus towards the sound of your breath and no thoughts. Inhale, exhale. I'd like you to visualize a bright light towards the third eye. Almost like a portal is opening up. Allow that light to become brighter and brighter. Allow it to become brighter and brighter. Almost like the sunlight is shining in your eyes with your eyes closed. It's a powerful portal. It's inviting. It's calming, it's cleansing. This powerful white light. And allow it, as you visualize, for it to continue to expand. Expand that light further and further. Brighter and brighter. And just allow yourself to start feeling the energies of this light. It's powerful. The vibrations of love and positivity are strong. And allow yourself to feel connected with these energies as it connects with your heart center. And you feel it connecting. And slowly, slowly allow your energies to merge with this bright light, so that you almost see yourself floating up towards the third eye and in through the portal, arriving there. As you visualize and you see the light is all around you, the bright light. I'd like you now to visualize yourself standing there with absolute confidence, holding a strong power pose, knowing that you're just about to embark on a powerful journey. This journey towards your greatest manifestations. And just keep breathing, inhale, exhale. As you settle in this visualization, You're stood there right in the center of the bright light. And you visualize yourself allowing yourself to slowly step forward, stepping forward into the new you, into your new reality. And as you visualize yourself stepping forward into this space, I'd like you now in the far distance to start bringing in the visual of your manifestation. Allow the image to start to appear. That thing that you want to attract, that situation, that scenario, just allow it, that imagery to start coming in from the distance. Focus intensely towards this visual. What is happening? Where are you? And who are you with? And just see it playing in the far distance. See it playing there. What is happening? How beautiful is this manifestation? And as you see it in the far distance, I'd like you to feel that excitement. That excitement that all you visualize, it will come. And you are now stepping forward. Visualize yourself to start stepping forward into that space. And breathe, inhale, exhale. As you continue walking forward into this space. Continue to walk forward into the visualization, into the scenario, into your manifestation. Walk into it like you're walking into a movie. And once you enter into that environment, that surrounding, that dream, that goal, as you step into it, feel the sensation throughout every cell of your body that now, right now in this very moment, you are claiming your manifestation. You are here now in this very moment, witnessing, experiencing, feeling every sensation of this manifestation. See it clearly all around you right now. What is happening? What is your manifestation? Where are you? What does it look like? Who is with you? And start allowing for the rest of your senses to come into play. See it clearly as if it's happening right now. Your greatest dream, your goal, your manifestation. See it clearly. Look all around you. What is happening? How beautiful is it? How excited are you? And start allowing yourself to also hear the sounds in this space. Hear what are the sounds that are in this manifestation. What does this space smell like? Taste like, feel like, as you are fully encompassed in this visual. Allow yourself to feel every sensation of it. Feel that excitement, that joy, that liberation, that blissful feeling and knowing that your manifestation is already done. And you are here now, witnessing it. It's beautiful. It's powerful. Just know that your manifestation in this moment is already done. Feel the sensations through every cell of your body, and slowly draw this energy in. Take a slow inhale. Draw it into every cell of your body. Claim it. Claim your manifestation now, and exhale. Bring these energies in from outer reality into this physical reality, and allow your energies to come back into this very moment, here now, as you claim your manifestation in this physical reality. And in your own time, just allow your energies to slowly come back. And when you're ready, just open your eyes and come back here now.